Looking to make your videos more eye-catching? Twinkly square lights are perfect for that. Each panel has 64 lights that make beautiful patterns and cool designs. Setting them up is super simple. Just use your phone with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And if you're feeling lazy, just tell Alexa or Google Assistant what you want them to do. Ready to start? A basic pack comes with 6 panels, 1 main control panel plus 5 regular ones, and costs $203. Want perfect tea every time? The Aerista Smart Teapot from Aerista makes it happen. This clever device knows exactly how hot to make the water and how long to brew different types of tea. Simply choose your tea type, and the pot handles everything else automatically. No more guessing or ending up with bitter tea. It has a handy keep warm feature that maintains your tea at just the right temperature for up to an hour. Want to stop thieves in their tracks? Protect fog generators are used by big names like Chanel and have sold over 150,000 units worldwide. When trouble starts, these machines fill your space with thick fog in seconds, making it impossible for thieves to see or steal anything. The fog is completely safe for everyone and everything in your home, from pets to electronics. Their X Stratus model can secure a large room in just 16 seconds. Most thieves give up and leave within 60 seconds of the fog starting. Looking for a smart way to handle kitchen scraps? Check out this composter. This handy machine turns your food waste into useful compost. It can handle 19 liters of stuff like veggie scraps and old bread, making up to 2 kilos of compost every day. Don't worry about noise or smells. It runs quietly and has a great system that keeps bad odors away. The only downside? It costs $900. Good to know. The compost it makes is ready to use right away in your garden, and 1 month of composting can give you enough fertilizer for a small vegetable patch. Need clean, temperature-perfect water at home or work? Say hello to the QnC Nano. This small but mighty water purifier does it all. Cleans your water and makes it hot or cold with just a tap of a button. It's super simple to use with controls right on top, or you can even control it from your phone. The best part? You only need to change its filter once a year, and it can clean about 5,700 liters of water in that time. That's like replacing 11,400 water bottles. It costs $449, but imagine all the money you'll save on bottled water. It remembers your favorite temperature settings, so your morning tea water is always just right. The Divoom Times Gate is a cool digital clock that looks like it came from a sci-fi movie. It has 5 screens that can show different things, like the weather, time, or even how your stocks are doing. You can control it with your phone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and it works with Alexa too. It costs about $130, which isn't cheap, but it's pretty unique. Want to make your home safer? This handy alarm system helps protect your house, apartment, or garage. It's really easy to set up. Just stick it on your windows and doors, and it's ready to go. When someone gets too close, about 8 inches, the alarm does 2 things. First, it flashes bright red lights, then a loud siren starts. You'll get a message on your phone right away, and you can always check if your windows and doors are closed using your phone. The sensors work well on all kinds of windows, including sliding ones. Here's something interesting. Studies show that most burglars give up within 60 seconds when they hear an alarm. Looking for a clever way to protect your home? This smart camera disguised as a regular light bulb is pretty amazing. It keeps watch over nearly your entire room and can spot anyone moving up to 17 feet away. If something suspicious happens, it'll send an alert to your phone and let you watch what's going on in real time. You can even talk to people through it, and it works with Alexa for voice control. Best part? Just screw it into any regular light socket and you're done. Here's something cool for your kitchen: a smart cooktop you can control with your phone. It's pretty high-tech, but simple to use. The cooktop has one large 12-inch cooking area with a small display and easy-to-use touch buttons. You can set and check the temperature right from your phone using Bluetooth. It heats up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, and comes with special magnetic clips that attach to your pots to keep the temperature just right. For frying pans, it uses a special silicone mat that goes under your pan to control the heat. It costs $299, which might seem like a lot, but it's like having a smart cooking assistant. Here's a helpful tip. This is perfect for recipes that need exact temperatures, like making candy or tempering chocolate. Want really clean water at your house? Check out the Bluevua filter system. It uses special filters and something called reverse osmosis to make your tap water super clean, removing 99.9% of the bad stuff. It's pretty low maintenance too. You only need to change 3 filters once a year and another one every 2 years. Need a smarter way to secure your property? This modern electric fence system is really clever. It only activates when someone tries to climb over it, not when they accidentally brush against it. That makes it much safer than old-style electric fences. The fence connects to cameras and sensors that send alerts right to your phone. So if something happens, you'll know right away whether it's a real threat or just someone who stumbled near your fence by accident. Need some peace while working from home? The DOORWING is a neat gadget that keeps kids from bursting into your room during important video calls. It holds your door slightly open, just enough to hear what's happening outside, but not enough for it to slam shut or for little ones to sneak in. At $30, it's pretty affordable.